Imagine a device that revolutionizes the gaming's world. Imagine a device that unlocks a third sensorial experience. Imagine to live your games with your ears, eyes, and your whole body. Stop to imagine. Yeah, we did it. After more than 2 years of R&D, we created the world's first haptic gaming chair with the most comfortable and ergonomic design. Including 8 separated powerful and silent actuators, you will be able to localize every action and moves with precision for any games you play. As a short latency period is crucial in gaming, this chair integrates a 16-cores microprocessor to provide a full real-time experience. Engineered for all players, compatible with any platforms and any VR headsets, it's going to be more than immersive. Welcome to the 4D dimension. Customize your experience by modulating separately each actuator. Create your own atmosphere with the integrated LED. The Arcadeo's gaming chair is the new revolution in the gaming world. Arcadeo, the game begins.
subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.